The last question that I have been getting a lot recently is how to find your keto macros. The easiest way to do that is to download the app called Carb Manager. It's a great app. There's a setup wizard right in it. You plug in your stats, your height, your weight, how quickly you want to lose your weight, and then you can choose from, I want to do balanced, I want to do low carb, high fat, I want to do keto. And so you pick what you want, you go through the wizard, and then you hit submit, and it will spit out your macros for you. So that gives you something to go on. Another option, if you just love MyFitnessPal, I know some people love MyFitnessPal. I hate MyFitnessPal. But if that's what you want to use, go to a website called ruled.me, RULED.me. Use their keto calculator to find your macros and then plug them into MyFitnessPal. So, last is I get to announce the winner from last week. And our winner is Bess Elizabeth Clark, who is getting married this year on my birthday, May 19th. She is shedding for the wedding, and she's also my old college roommate. So, thank you for checking in, Bess. Thank you for doing the daily check-ins, and send me your address again. I have a little goodie bag to send you. Hopefully it'll be some new things that you haven't tried yet. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday, and I hope that this helps answer your questions.